The Scott's 20-inch reel mower cuts a path 20 inches wide, glides smoothly on 10-inch wheels, and mows grass from 1 to 3 inches high. The 20-inch Scott's reel mower is easy to assemble out of the box, and the lightweight design means you can maneuver well on uneven ground and hang it on a wall when the job is done. The Scott's reel mower uses precision-cut blades to cut each blade of grass cleanly with a scissor-like action. Scott's reel mowers are quiet, safe, lightweight, non-polluting, clean-cutting, and a healthy way to keep your lawn looking great.
Lawn Boy walk-behind push mowers are affordable, reliable mowers with some nice features that make mowing easy and leave your lawn looking great. For starters, these lightweight mowers have 11-inch high rear wheels, so they're easy to control and maneuver even on rough or uneven yards. And the 2-point height of cut system adjusts 2 wheels at the same time, so setting your cutting height is fast and easy. The durable 21-inch steel deck and Lawn Boy's exclusive tri-cut cutting system make this a great mower for mulching. When you want to bag your clippings, Lawn Boy's larger bag fills easily, holds more, and lets you empty clippings faster and less often. Now this mower also has plenty of power thanks to its reliable, easy-to-start Kohler engine. And Lawn Boy backs their mowers with a full 2-year warranty and the 3-year True Start guarantee. Your mower will start on the first or second pull, or Lawn Boy will fix it for free. So for a dependable push mower that's easy to handle and hard to beat, Lawn Boy's the right choice for you.
The Fiskars Staysharp Max Reel Mower is the world's most advanced reel mower. It's 60% easier to push and delivers twice the cutting energy to power through tough spots. An innovative cutting system stays sharp longer and cuts all grass types easily. It includes closer side edging, mess-free forward grass discharge, an 18-inch cut width, and a 1 to 4-inch cut height range. Popular Mechanics honored us with the 2010 Green Design Award. Pick one up today to change the way you care for your lawn.
The Ego 56-volt Power Plus lawnmower makes no compromise between power and convenience. An industry first, 56 volts of lithium-ion power deliver everything you need to get the job done, with a full recharge in 30 minutes or less. Effortlessly switch the battery between tools so you never have to stop what you're doing. A 20-inch cutting deck gives you maximum cut capacity to mow your lawn fast. One handle adjusts the entire deck, and a simple 2-touch safety lever starts the mower every time, without pulling or priming. When the sun gets low, LED lights can illuminate your path until you finish. The mower is quiet enough that the neighbors won't hear it, so take care of your lawn whenever it's best for you. When the job is done, the handle collapses and the mower can be stored vertically, taking up the least amount of space in your garage. Finally, a mower that doesn't require yearly maintenance, winterizing, or being babied. Just put the battery in and go. The Ego 56-volt Power Plus mower, part of the Ego Power Plus system. Power beyond belief.